Good morning. Welcome to the Morning Bulletin. I am Ria and you are watching Apeejay News.
Starting with the headlines.
NDA government to present budget in the first week of February.
Its last regular budget before the next year's general elections.
Lalu Prasad Yadav found guilty in fodder scam.
Sentenced to 3.5 years in jail.
Government has put an end on subsidy on Hajj Yatra.
Tax money will be used for education of minorities, especially women.
Supreme Court modifies order, says national anthem in cinema here.
The nation wants to know.
What does the nation want to know?